So when a homeowner calls us out to take a look at a water issue they have in the basement, what we do to find out how it's coming into the foundation itself is we follow the trail. Either the stains that are on the sheetrock or 2x4 studs, either the stains that are on the carpet, or the calcium buildup and sediment that's off of the foundation that shows signs of water intrusion. When a homeowner sees water in their basement, and the first thing they should do is take pictures of where it is. The reason for that is unfortunately we can't get out there the same day or even the next day. So we want to make sure that when we come out to take a look at it, we go through the foundation, we make sure we see everything, but we also want to see what the active issues were the time that you saw the water. If you have water coming from a crack only, a simple crack injection or a cracked membrane will handle your issue itself. If you have water coming through what's called the cold joint, where the slab and the foundation wall meet, you have to get a little more aggressive with the repair with a sump pump and what's called an interior drain system. We prefer that method more, and the reason being is it comes with a lifetime warranty. So we know when we do it, we took care of the issue and you're comfortable with the next rainfall. A couple things that homeowners can do to help with the water that you have in the basement is make sure the gutters are clean, make sure that the downspout extensions are running positive away from the foundation itself, and make sure that you keep the grading at a positive grade around the foundation. So that way when you get your rainfalls, all the water that is coming down is forced away from the house itself.